Living near the waters means an abundance of fresh seafood served at any household's table. The freshness of maritime produce has created a flavor profile that characterizes Cebu's culinary traditions. Fishing communities have mastered ways to grow, gather, prepare, serve, and consume food from the sea. They have produced food traditions based on locally available fish and shellfish. In food drying, microorganism growth is controlled through water and moisture removal. In fishing communities, these translate into the buwad, a food drying method using the heat of the sun. There is also the ginamos. The ginamos is made from fermented small fishes like bolinao, toloy, lubgas, and tumos, with the latter being the most abundant from March to August on Olango Island. The dayok is another fermentation method used for fish entrails. Danggit or rabbitfish and the yellowfin tuna are normally used in this kind of fermentation. Like the ginamos, the entrails are removed and then soaked in a mixture of salt and water for 12 hours.